Tres Leches. Measurements are for one petite cake because I can't eat all of this at once, okay? A vegan one. Could it be done? Yes. Is it nice and scrumptious? Yes. Can we make it? Yes, and here's how.
A full list of the ingredients are on my website, zacros.net.
Get your oil, vanilla extract, yogurt, plant-based milk, apple cider vinegar or white wine vinegar and mix.
Yeah, this one's going to be really sweet, period. Oh my god.
Add some baking soda, baking powder, salt, lemon zest with flour and ground Biscoff.
I don't even know why I use the scales, but I'm doing a lot of these by vibes. I absolutely adore Biscoff, so any chance, any option that I can, I will add it. And there's nothing you can do to stop me, and I will accept this vice. Once you've measured everything out, make sure wet and dry together and stir very thoroughly so there are no lumps. What makes it easier is if you sieve and do it that way, or add a bit at a time, mix it through. I did not do that. I just put everything all at once.
For the soak, plant-based milk, vegan or brain milk, condensed milk and more vanilla extract. These are all the secret ingredients to make the loveliest soak. Heat until boiling, until all mixed together, so keep stirring to make sure it's all homogenized. Now with these ingredients, we're going to make an icing, a type of icing. And you can use, instead of Biscoff spread, you can use a cashew spread that will give a different texture. We're using Biscoff because we're bad and healthy, and more sugar is great. You can add more water, condensed milk if you'd like to make it more fluid rather than as it's kind of solid here.
To expedite the melting process, break your coconut cream into smaller chunks. Not applicable if you're not using coconut cream. I really like the smell at the moment. It's just like a kind of sweet, coconutty, bit biscoffy, but yeah, it's getting there, it's getting together.
Now the dough baked, cool for 10 minutes, remove from the baking tray, and now add your soak into it and then let it absorb it all.
So the longer the soak, the better the flavor. Only let it soak a little bit. So please, I raise my hands, allow me.
So prepare some whipped cream. We can get more decadent. You understand this predicament. So cool your bowl and add more sugar to the cream to keep it more solid.
So this simple recipe for the whipped cream is great. You can control the different aspects of it, the sweetness, add chocolate, all that sort of stuff. It's just go for it. Yeah, someone very close to me said that I'm addicted to this recipe, and they're goddamn right.
Now it's time to assemble. With the soak and the coconut mixture, then top with cream. Then you can crumble even more Biscoff as a garnish. And excuse me for making your day a little bit more sublime with this, because you know what we're going to do. Give more inspiration for amazing plant-based recipes. Let us know what you'd like us to make.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more premium content. We're growing out here. Let's go.